Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer. Just open it and tap on the contacts. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And now tap on edit in the middle. And here we have to pick this, let's say, kind of a profile icon. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which you can choose. So we can either take a photo and then our device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And here let's simply find the photo you'd like to use and tap. Tap on the stick icon. And as you can see, from this step we can change the position of the photo. We can place it inside this this highlighted circle because it is the place which is responsible for showing us the profile picture later on. We can zoom in or out the photo, which is kind of good option. So just find the one you'd like to use and position it like you want to, and tap on the tick icon here. And as you can see, the photo has been applied, so remember to tap on tick icon again. And here we've got our saved contact, and the photo will be visible on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.